On the junior AI topic, do you have advice for junior devs for landing a job? What skills are now more important that weren't before? I've heard quite a good amount of different voices. What's the new junior developer profile companies are now seeking for? I think as I said earlier, there's not as many companies hiring junior engineers as there were 2, 3, 4 years ago. The reason being is that there isn't as much. I suppose, yeah, the companies who are hiring, their profiles changed. They're not trying to build, large teams of software engineers, and they maybe have budget for one hire per year or in that period, and they are therefore looking to hire somebody who's got some commercial experience. How do you get your commercial experience? I think it's through. You're going to need to be proactive for juniors right now. I think the best way to do that is to locate local companies or local developers to yourself who are working. Where do they work? What companies are local to you that use the tech stack that you want to work with, and can you apply to them, offering your services whether they've got a job or not, based on the fact that you are in X city, Y country, and you can work on site. Suddenly that becomes your USP. I did actually put something on my YouTube channel with this advice on it. Let me see if I can I'll drop it to the comments so you can watch it another time. Here you go, Laura. I'm just going to pop it in here for you. So it may not be exactly where you're at, but it should give you a good idea about how to sort of go about searching for people who are in junior roles that you would want to do.